The strongest sandstorm hit the capital of Turkey the other day. More recently, a video from the epicenter itself has appeared on social networks. The footage shows how a wall of sand is approaching the city, rising to the roofs of high-rise buildings and enveloping everything around. This terrifying footage resembles the blast from a powerful explosion, but this is a natural phenomenon. The storm in a matter of minutes covered the city, plunging it into darkness, and also quickly disappeared. At the moment, the number of victims of the disaster totals 6 people. Tents were set up on the streets of the city to provide assistance.